hard to forget. But here's his picture, here's his address, here's the make and model of his car. He works until 4:30, then he hangs out at the topless bar with a girl on each arm. He should come to home, keep to himself. Remember how he cheated and he lied to me. I told you and it made you lose your head. See, they're pouring concrete on Route 33. I don't believe you do those things you said. But here's his address, here's his picture, here's his pager number and his cell. He works out at the health club and he really likes to watch himself. Let's see in the mirror. He should disappear. Keep it to yourself.